Hola, mi nombre es Kailyn y hoy haré macarrones. Comenzaré a precalentar el horno a 350 grados Fahrenheit. A continuación, comenzar a cocinar los macarrones. Open the safe, you can't lock it. Sipping that walk, yeah, go to the top. Bustin' your bitch like a Glock. Ooh, she like to suck on my. Yeah, I get the money, don't stop. Dexter. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know you like this beat too, but you a fucking goofy though. Oh wait. Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your watch I drown. Call him up for the pounds. Wait, our future years right on my clothes. Bad yeah, watch it do cold. Broken cell, used to sleep on the floor. Luego agregaré sal, pimienta y huevos y luego mezclaré bien. Luego verteré los ingredientes combinados en este fuente para joder.
When I'm Californicating, I got 3 phones, business, conversation, and relation. Hold up, wait a sec, wait a minute, wait a tick. Jake on my wrist, nothing was fake on my wrist. 4-finger ring on my hand, say what you say to my wrist. Talk to the hand, don't want the results of the hands. What the face say to the fist. I'm Rick James. Ha, funny as a fit for the tab, suck on the. Go back to the pad, watch the slap on the flicks. Speed it up, just in the track, then I beat it. Acne my jacket from Sweden. My chick don't exactly know.
Deje que el plato jore de 35 a 45 minutos y así es como se preparan los macarrones con queso.
Pulling up, you don't need to burn it downtown.